Hey everyone, welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids. I'm Mitchell, and today we're diving into Zenas Biopharma, ticker ZBIO, a clinical stage biotech leader in immunology based therapies targeting autoimmune diseases. Just this month, on November 12th, ZBIO crushed Q3 2025 earnings with EPS of $1.22, smashing estimates by 44%. Net income soared, driven by pipeline progress on obexelimab, their flagship candidate advancing in phase 3 trials for IgG4 related disease. Morgan Stanley hiked their price target to $37 on November 13th, while analysts overall lifted to $44.44 by the 18th. Shares hit a new 52-week high, closing at $40.59 on December 12th, delivering a staggering 396% year-to-date return amid biotech's resurgence. With a robust cash reserves and key data readouts ahead, ZBIO is primed for more gains. Bullish on biotech? Sound off below, like, subscribe for stock breakdowns, and hit the bell. Catch you next time. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my channel today, and we'll see you in the next one.